3, 2, 1, 0.
Palladium? That's got some value. Yoink. That's palladium, all right. The f*** is that?
The Geiger Counter, an electronic instrument used for detecting ionizing radiation. One like this was used mostly during the Cold War for surveying radioactivity. As nuclear Armageddon was almost a reality on several occasions, to put it lightly, this is a very important instrument. The principle of detecting ionizing radiation was discovered by Hans Geiger in 1908. It wasn't until 20 years later, in 1928, that Geiger teamed up with Walter Muller for one of the greatest collaborations in radioactive history, the Geiger-Muller tube. Although this collab, a decade later, kind of outshines the rest.
Hey, you okay? Are you okay? Can someone call 911?
There is an inert gas located in the tube's chamber. When ionizing radiation comes into contact with the gas, it knocks the electrons of the gas's atoms loose. This causes a pathway for an electric charge. The electric charge conducts through a steel wire in the center of the tube and the tube itself, making it pulse. That pulse then travels from the tube to this part, called the counter. Every electric pulse can be seen by the counter dial and heard through the speaker it's directly wired to, making that infamous clicking sound. The more clicking that can be heard means the more radiation is present. And if you hear this, run. High levels of radiation can damage the DNA in our cells, and that's why it's so dangerous. However, we're exposed to low-level radiation every day. It naturally rises from the Earth's crust. We use it in medical equipment like X-ray machines. It's even in bananas. But that doesn't mean you have to wear a lead shield just to eat a banana. Low levels of radiation are not a danger to humans. You can purchase a digital Geiger counter for under $100. It's a good item to have just in case, but let's hope you never have to seriously use it. And that's what the fuck that is.